ZOLLER toolBalancer 550 machine. In this machine, we can able to balance that unbalanced folder tool assemblies. I will quickly show you how to balance the folders assemblies. So just we can take the tool. Clamp the tool and directly take it. So we already created the program with the Z1 database. The program automatically shown. So once we can clamp the tool, just to close the door, directly press cycle start. Cycle start. Now it is running in the positive direction. So now the result is showing that how much the RPM it will be getting. So now positive direction already done. So we will go for negative direction. So again we need to unclamp the tool. Again clamp. Directly run to. My software tells there is an unbalance for 0.670 gram. There is a list of screws there. Then the laser mark will help you, that guide you at 180 degree and directly you can clamp. In this tool loader assembly, we will balance up to 44,000 RPM with G1.4 GM. Why we are doing this kind of accuracy? We will achieve more RA value on roughness finishing. For surface finish, whenever we need fine finish, mirror finish, then we need to balance with the high RPM with our tolerance. To know more about our products, call anytime of ZOLLER Solution.